I like Lovely Granada and I support her. I find her very smart, intelligent, and very articulate. Her English is so impeccable. May hirapan si Sarah na sumabay dyan. And that's why, Lovely, I suggest that you don't debate with her strictly in English kasi may hirapan siya. And she will not accept your challenge if the language that will be used is purely English. Tagalog nga lang, hirap na siya magsalita what more if you will require her to speak straight in English? Nako, mahirap. Sarah is very incompetent and she is dumb and boba, tanga, and tamad. She doesn't study what she says. Kaya ganon, ayaw niya makikipagdebate sa iyo niyan, sigurado yan. That is why renew your challenge, but this time don't do it strictly in English. No? I really like your articles, Lovely, and I find them very, very insightful and very truthful. Mabuhay ka!